What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am getting ready to do another wash and go, but this time I am going to be using the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse along with the Aloe Vera 100% Gel. I'm using these two because I used these while I was on vacation in Cabo and it worked out well there, so I want to see how it works here, and that gives me another opportunity to use up some stuff that's in my stash. So I only have about this much of this gel left, so I figured why not go ahead and use it. Now what I will say is when I used it in Cabo, I did not use a leave-in. I don't remember using a leave-in. If I did, I would have used the pattern leave-in because that is the only leave-in that I took with me, but I don't think that I used a leave-in and it worked out well. Today I am going to use a leave-in. I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Quenched leave-in, and I know that I said that normally using a mousse I prefer it without a leave-in, but because I just cleansed my hair really good from not having cleansed it in 12 days, and I just used a protein deep conditioner which I felt did hydrate my hair and moisturize it. I didn't use a lot at all. I'm using a very little bit of this leave-in, and as you can see it's very light. But it does pack some moisture. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little bit just because I don't want my hair to be too dry after having used a protein deep conditioner, and because it's been sitting out here for a while. So let me clip this fingernail real quick. Okay, it seems like everything that can happen on this wash day is happening. So just taking a little bit more of the leave-in and I'm going to apply it to this section. The other reason I'm using the leave-in is because it is very cold here. Very cold. And so I want to add just an extra layer of moisture even though I'm using a mousse. And because I am topping the mousse with gel, even though the aloe vera gel is very moisturizing in my opinion, I just want to add just a little bit extra. So as you can see, I'm not really putting a lot, just putting enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. Okay, so I am back and got it all applied. Didn't use a lot, but used some. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Frizz Patrol Mousse. Yeah, I know I like this mousse, and I have just a very little bit left in the container downstairs. But I don't feel like going down there and getting it. So what I'm gonna do is just use what I can out of this, and then I'll pour that into here. And then you'll see that container in my empties. So I'm gonna add the mousse first. Get a couple pumps. And I'm doing mousse today because I need my hair to dry. It's a little bit later in the day. And I want my hair to dry fairly quickly. A little bit more on those ends. And then I'm going to take a pump of the aloe vera gel. A couple pumps. Can y'all see that? There we go. And apply it. Now I know I said I'm going to continue my wash and go series where I'm using harder hold gels. I'm still going to do that, but like I said, since I hadn't washed my hair in so long, I'm just going to do this in between because I need my hair to dry quickly, and I know that this isn't going to last real long, so that way I can get some more water put on my hair fairly quickly to make sure it stays moisturized and hopefully get these little curls back. Mousse. Gel. I've shown y'all this aloe vera gel on my channel before. I'll link the videos up here so you can see what I've used it with in the past and how my hair looked. This gel used to be a staple in my regimen when my hair was shorter. Trying not to have to re-wet my hair, but I might have to add some water. We'll see. What I don't care for about this is the pump. I don't care for it. I wish this gel came in a, well, it used to come in a squeeze bottle. And as a matter, well, I was gonna say, as a matter of fact, maybe I'll put it in one, put a squeeze top on it too, because I'm gonna have to end up turning it upside down anyway to get some of this gel out. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to do this and I will be back when it's all applied. Okay guys, I got it all applied. I don't know how this is going to turn out because everything that has gone wrong, that could go wrong, has. Battery's getting ready to run out, so I'm rushing. Cotton's trying to go out in between, hair is drying out, everything is going on. So anyway, got it in. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to sit under the dryer. I'll be back when it's dry and we're going to talk about it. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my hair. So I did stretch it just a little bit, but for the most part, it looked like this coming from under the dryer. I just kind of tried to even it out a little bit. So this is what my hair looks like after using the quenched leave-in, the Frizz Patrol Mousse, topped with the aloe vera gel. And there's not much of this left. So this is a very soft hold, so if you're looking for 7-day hair, you're probably not going to get it with this, but it definitely gives a nice, soft, fluffy hold. You know, not a whole lot of shine, but some. And of course, to me, it worked really well when I was out of town, because that moisture that was in the air just helped to keep the moisture in my hair and so forth. And I was able to let it air dry there versus here. But I do like this combination. It still took about an hour to dry, so to me it didn't dry any quicker. But if you like a soft hold, this may be one to pick up. So yeah, guys, this is it. Just wanted to get my hair styled really quickly. It's late, like I said, so I'm not going to belabor the point, but just wanted to give you a different option and to give myself a quick wash and go before I go into the harder hold gels again. So if you are liking that series, it is coming back, so just stay tuned for that. Okay guys, just wanted to pop in to show you 4th day hair. Wasn't able to come back yesterday, but this is 4th day hair using the Frizz Patrol Mousse and Aloe Vera Gel. So yeah, just wanted to pop in and show it to you. Still soft, feels okay, but definitely if I was going to wear it any longer, I would put some moisture on it. But I am actually going to wash it today, so I'm not going to wear it any longer. But did want you to see that I still have, you know, some definition and things of that sort. So it lasted me as long as I needed it to last. For those of you who want 7-day hair, I don't know. I don't know that it would do that, especially as once you apply moisture to it, it's probably going to frizz out a little bit more than this. So if you like a lot more definition than this, then maybe not. But for me, something quick, I needed it done. This worked out for me. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you my 4th day hair. So now back to the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.